Hey everybody, good morning to you. How in the world are you? It's good to see you out here today, and I tell you, I'm excited because we don't have a whole lot of wind today. This is April, and toward the end of April, 16 days this month we've had winds over 30 miles an hour. And you know, I just can't go when it's like this, so a bunch of you have had to postpone your trips. I hate that, but I cannot control the wind. If I could, I guarantee you I would. Hey, all the way from Memphis, Tennessee, you've seen them before. This is Authur and Dina, and man, we're just tickled to death to have them. They came up yesterday. Y'all got y'all motel room last night, didn't you? Yeah. They're gonna catch a bunch of fish. We got rain coming about 9 o'clock for about a little while, so I may have to duck under one of the local. At the marina, they got a little place to park your boats underneath the shed there, boat slips. May have to use one of them. We'll see how it goes. Sit back, enjoy the show. This is Greg Fenn. This is Camera River Guide Service. They bit. There she is. Up and over. Come on, up and over. Up and over. Come on. Up and over. That's good fish. We need fish with you.
This one had been beat up.
Slide over. Come on around this way. How do I get on this side? Ain't got him. Big. I thought they was big. Hit it on the way down. I was going down real slow.
Oh. That one's bigger than.
Where they at? Come on in here. Give me a better fish. You got better fish, you think? I got one. No, I got
Yeah, I need him.
Come. Just hold him in the water. That's what we're looking for, ain't it?
Yep.
Good job, good job. That's what I want right there. There you go. Mr. Authur.
Yeah. That's a nice one.
That's a nice fish. You got him, I believe it's a better fish.
Oh yeah.
You here with it.
Let's line out there.
And Miss Dina, she knows, this woman here knows how to fish, folks. I mean, tell you.
I tried.
She's from Memphis, Tennessee, and this ain't her first rodeo. Well, I tell you what, I had them out today, and you can see it done turned foul weather out here, but we hung with it, and they got a whole box full of fish right there. You can see them. We got, I don't know, they may have got their 50. I don't know, it's close to it. Anyway, we're gonna go on in. If you want to fish with me, go to www.camelriverguideservice.com or call me at 936-229-2370. We'll do your best to put you on fish like this each and every day. I'm gonna go get out of the rain, folks. Until next time, keep your powder dry and your lines wet and grin every now and then. I'm telling you, it's good for you. This is Greg Fenn. This is Camera River Guide Service.